In a single tenure, the PMLN government managed to push the country towards the brink of economic collapse, triggering the biggest balance of payments crisis in Pakistan's history. Operating hand in hand with the political status quo, the previous government's policies led to a massive trade deficit and an upswing in external loans up to $35 billion. Stabilizing an economy headed towards disaster is no simple task, which requires months, if not years, of sustained reforms for a course correction.
When you make reforms, people suffer. They go through difficult times. The worst thing that can happen to a society is that you keep postponing reforms because of the fear that you will have opposition, the vested interest will stand up, and you don't do reforms. So we've started on an ambitious reform program.
What reforms, you ask? Audio Jungle. What more? Audio Jungle. After decades of mismanagement, turning Pakistan into a progressive and sustainable social welfare state is no simple task. But after a difficult period of reform, the PTI government remains focused on putting the country on the right path.